Okay, I've got a little teaser to share with you guys. As you can see, we recently got installed 6 new solar panels. And those solar panels are being used exclusively to run 2 refrigerators, one downstairs in the kitchen, and then another second fridge, solar refrigerator down in the cellar, which we're going to use exclusively for making charcuterie or cured meats. So we've got all these wild pigs around here that we're going to get to hunting next month in November, and then we're going to take the hind legs and try to make our own ham or prosciutto with them. We're going to use the belly to make pancetta. We're going to make fresh sausages. We bought a sausage machine. We bought the pink curing salts. We bought butchery knives, a saw. The idea is that these black pigs we have around here get fattened up on the macadamia nuts, just like in Spain the pigs get fattened up on the acorns that make the jamon iberico. So we're hoping we can make an equally delicious cured meat product here using the solar panels and the solar fridge down in the cellar. So look for those videos coming up later in the fall. In the meantime, you can click all the links that are appearing, watch our Hawaii recipes video playlist, watch our principles of permaculture, or you can watch us out in the field doing hunting, fishing type stuff. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.